Welcome to HiGH Garage, one of the largest and most advanced automotive service centers in Khor industrial area. Whether you're driving a luxury vehicle or a reliable daily driver, we are a one-stop solution for all things automotive. Spanning 2,000 square meters, our facility includes a lathe workshop and car wash area. We offer a full range of services for both premium and general brands, including mechanical, electrical, oil changes, AC, denting, painting, and spare parts. As your vehicle enters our fully equipped garage, rest assured it will receive the royal treatment. Our technicians are trained to handle any high-performance vehicles with precision, ensuring your car gets the premium care it deserves. With dedicated sections for each service, we ensure your vehicle gets the specialized care it deserves, leaving our facility in top condition, ready for the road ahead. HiGH Garage is a full-service center, offering everything from routine maintenance to complex repairs, all under one roof. Our state-of-the-art facility is equipped to handle every aspect of vehicle care, ensuring that your car receives the best attention it deserves. At HiGH, we take pride in being your trusted partner for all automotive needs. Our skilled technicians are dedicated to providing efficient, reliable, and top-quality service that you can always count on. From oil changes and routine inspections to advanced diagnostics and major repairs, we ensure that each service is performed with precision and expertise. We also provide comprehensive computer diagnostic testing, conducted with the highest level of professionalism. Our state-of-the-art facility features dedicated spaces for each service, ensuring that every task is managed by professionals in its specialized area. Whether it's a simple oil change or a major repair, our expert team provides the care needed to keep your vehicle running at its peak. Our car wash offers complete cleaning, including jack wash services, from exterior washes to full interior details. Our lathe workshop features state-of-the-art machinery to meet all your lathe requirements. Whether you need custom machining or repairs for specialized parts, our skilled experts are equipped to deliver precise and professional results. Our store also carries a wide range of branded engine oils and spare parts to meet all your vehicle needs. At HiGH, we offer more than exceptional vehicle care. Enjoy our client lounge with refreshments while we work on your vehicle. We also offer 24/7 roadside assistance with our recovery vehicle, always available to help you. At HiGH, the customer is everything. Visit us today at HiGH Garage in Khor and experience the best in automotive service.